Hey guys, hi, it's Julie, the Creative Chica. So I'm coming to you with a little video on some gift card holders that I made, and I learned how to make these from the Paper Pixie, and I will put a link below so you can see what I did. So let's see what the first one I started with, and I'll show you the rest. So here's the first one I made, and it's really cute. I put a little belly band. And the papers I got that from was Echo Park Pad. And here's one of the papers. Let me see if I can find the pad. I got a big pile here on my left off camera. But I have all the pads here. So here is the pad. It's called Gingerbread Christmas. And it's a really cute two-sided paper. And I made this little box, and I did this from the cutouts. I believe not that one. Okay, so there's another cutout somewhere. But here it is. It's Mary. This is from Ida La Mija shop on Etsy. This little thing. This little guy is from the Dollar Tree, and it's just these little wooden things, and I colored them in with my ink that I love. Where is it? It's probably buried, but it is Vintage Photo. And the face, I want to show you guys. I have the set, and I actually got them. I got two faces somewhere else. There's two faces missing. I gotta find them. But anyway, this is Peachy Cheap. Sorry, Peachy Cheap. And hope there's not too bad of a glare, guys. I'm gonna turn it this way to see if it'll help with the glare. Actually, I'm gonna turn this top light off. I don't know if that'll help, but you guys can. I don't hope you can see the stamps. They're really cute. 3/8, ½ inch, 5/8, 3/4, and 1 inch. Let me turn my my light back on. Okay. So anyway, I should have just took out this paper. That would help a lot. Get that glare off. There we go. I got the glare off. Anyway, so here are the stamps, even the 1 3/8. Really cute. This is the Everyday Character Face Assortment by Peachy Keen. And here's all the stamps. So there's that. And then there's these also. And I don't think they belong. I don't know exactly where these belong. I might have bought them previously. I'm not sure. But anyway, here's some more faces. They're super cute, and they're great for doing this kind of thing. So what I did was I took my clear gesso by Art Basics, and I painted it first. I painted it on because I was thinking that when I stamped, let me get it closer, when I stamped the face, I didn't want it to bleed everywhere, because you know wood will bleed. And I could have used the stays on, but I didn't think of doing that. But I did stamp it with the VersaFine Claire I used. I think that's the one I used. And I stamped the face. And then the rest of this I painted with white acrylic and a toothpick because I really wanted it to show up a lot. And then I made a little bow and 3 little jimmies. So there's that. And then this is a belly band. And let me take that off. So there's the belly band, the ribbon, and it's glued on. And then when you open it, it opens like so. I guess I must have a little glue there. But isn't that a cute little box? And then, so that's a gift card box. And it even is wide enough. It's a ½ inch. So it's wide enough to even put like a little candy or something in there. So that's the first one I made. And then the second one I made was this one. And this is from Winter. The paper is from this one, Winter Magic, from Echo Park. And it just takes a 6x6 piece of paper, so you can do it off that. And then I made this belly band, and I tried to look at my scraps and look for a blue that was very close, and I found this blue. And then I also took it and embossed it with a snowflake embossing folder. It is called, here it is, Snowflake Black Background by Doris. So there's that. And then I had two, sorry, here's the correct way. So I have two snowflakes from the Dollar Tree in my stash. This one is just silver glittered, and then this one's the clear one with a little bit of holographic glitter in it. And then I put a little gemmy in the middle. Again, a little tag from Itala Mija shop. And then I left the silver cording on there. And then the paper is just this snowflake background with really pretty blue on the inside. So that's going to be very cute for a gift card and a little goodie. And I tried to make them snug so that they wouldn't fall off, but not so tight that I can't get it back in there. So there we go. So there's that one. That's number 2. And then number 3 is this one. And I made these little poinsettias. And I will tell you where I got the die on Amazon. And I'll show it to you guys later. I'm going to show some goodies I got recently. Anyway, I made the die. And then I used those little gold beads. They're like beads of styrofoam beads from the Dollar Tree. And then here is the belly band. This wording comes from the pack. And let me find the paper for that. And I believe, I'm trying to see which one it came from. I got that one. That's Max Needing Attention. I believe, not sure if it came from here. Maybe. Might have come. Sorry guys, I have to find it. Yeah, it came from this pad. Yeah, it came from this pad because that's the inside, I think. Well, yeah, I think so. I think it came from this pad. And this one is called Christmas Magic. And has Merry and Bright. And then I took a 2-inch scallop punch. And then white, iridescent, not iridescent, but it's got little bling to it. A little band of, what do you call it? Ribbon from the Dollar Tree way back when. And these are so cute. I love the paper. There's the inside. I don't know. I don't think that is that one. Huh. I'm not exactly sure, you guys. I have a few pads here. And it could be this one. This is the First Noel. Oops, wait a minute. Did I just see it? No. Gosh darn. Sorry, guys. I don't know. But if I figure it out by next video, I'll let you guys know. Because I have a big pile to my left here, and I didn't get to put it away yet. And I just don't know. I just don't know. It could have been this one too, because I see more Christmas paper on this. I mean, those could have been this one. That's white. It's got repeats, so we just gotta, I don't know. Sorry, guys. I don't know. But anyway, it's one of those pads. And, whoops, see, it's sliding. Little crafting avalanche. And I also wanted to share with you guys some that I had found in my stash from before. And I'm not sure if I did a video on it. If I did, I'll link my video to it. But if I did not, I'm going to try to do a video later when I make more. And there we go. By the way, this is only 1 inch by 1 inch. This one here. Okay, so I also wanted to show you guys. These were from previous years that I had made. So I had made these. These are also gift card holders. They have a little magnet that closes, and then it opens this way, and you stick the card in here. So let me get a piece of paper. That's where it goes. And this one is 4 inches by 4.5. Okay, so that's how big that is. So that could go in an envelope. I made these flat so that I could send them in the mail. And if you guys, I'll have to figure out, like I said, if I have a video, if I don't, I'll make one. But here's another one. This one says Merry Christmas, and I got all these jimmies at the Dollar Tree. And this is a punch, I think. No, not a punch. I'm so sorry. It is a die. And I'll show you guys. Oh, that one. What happened here? Oh, it looks like these got glued together. So I'll have to fix that and glue that back. But anyway, there it is. Very cute. I think they turned out cute. And I don't even remember what year I made these. But they're super cute. So there's that. And okay, there's that one. And then there's this one. This one's really pretty. It's very blingy. It's got the dog paws and all the bling. I love bling. And very sparkly ribbon from the Dollar Tree. And this is the dog paper. And I have to put new either the dots, the Velcro dots, or more of these little magnets. So I'm not sure which I'll do. I might put Velcro dots. But isn't that cute? I mean, the paper's cute. Everything's really super cute about this one. Lots of bling. And then these words were die. And I'm not sure exactly where the die is from, but I'd have to go back and look at my dies. But there you go. Here's some ideas for you guys for your gift cards. And like I said, if I don't have it right now, when I start making some more, I will be making... oh, that came off. Where'd that come from? Oh, no, that's extra. I will be making a video, if I don't have one, when I start making these again. And so there you go. I just wanted to come and show you all these cute little gift card holders. So I hope you guys like it. Oh, wait, before I let you go, I want to show you something. So I chew like Trident gum, and it's sugar-free in these little containers that come like this. Well, I found these are absolutely perfect for these little beads, these little foam beads. They're perfect. And you have this if you want to just pull some out, or they also have this little opening and you can also pull that out. I actually don't prefer to do it that way. I just open it and pull out what I need. So that's a little tip for you guys. And I keep these. I buy these, and then I just keep them for little things like this. And you could put beads in them. You could put all kinds of things in here. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you because it has a little window so you can see what's in there. And you could see it from here too. So you could decide what you like. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day and a good, hope you had a good week. And I'll see you guys in the next video.